My name is Larry. Hello friends. I know you might be asking yourselves too, which is the best way to enter the new year. I don't know about you, but I decided to dance into the new year in a church. And it was fun. Real fun. Great fun.
Aujourd'hui, c'était une très bonne soirée pour moi. La nouvelle année 2011, on prétend que ça sera une année meilleure, beaucoup de succès, beaucoup d'argent et que tout le monde réalise tous les projets qu'il a en tête.
Okay. So did you plan any, do you have any New Year resolution? Was du sagst, this year werde anders in mein Leben sein. Ein neuer Plan für dein Leben. Hast du sowas?
J'ai déjà beaucoup de plans pour cette année. Pour cette année 2011, je voudrais réaliser tout ce qui est en tête pour moi. Parce que nous ne sommes pas venus s'amuser ici en Europe. Nous ne sommes pas venus rester ici en Europe. Nous sommes venus chercher pour rentrer chez nous en Afrique.
Okay, that is good. So you wish everybody happy New Year. Just tell people, your friends and your family people, Happy New Year.
Ok.
Yeah.
Je souhaite une nouvelle année meilleure pour ma famille au Cameroun, pour tous les Africains. Que 2011 ait la paix pour toute l'Afrique. Bonne année.
Good. Thank you very much.
Pas de problème.
How do they enjoy the New Year? We just start. How do they enjoy it, man?
Oh well, I would say that it's very marvelous that we are meeting here tonight. Understand? And we are enjoying ourselves. And this is the kind of thing we want within African community. To have a meeting place where we can enjoy ourselves, feel free, and move forward. And nobody disturbs us. And that's why we are Africans. And that's why we are here. So, where is the Africanist way?
Tell us about what you feel that you're going to change in the new year. What's the New Year resolution?
Okay, good. Wait, your question, personally, my New Year resolution or the changes we need among African community in Colombia. My personal resolution, I would not like to talk it in the public because it's my personal resolution. Okay? Notwithstanding, I would like to talk about African situation in the city of Cologne. What we need to change. So, I think sometimes we feel like we love ourselves. We say hello to ourselves. I always say hello. Yes. But the reality is that we don't love ourselves. When we see opportunity to help ourselves, when we see opportunity to love ourselves, to help ourselves, we always hide it. So we should try our best to incorporate ourselves, help ourselves. If you see opportunity for your brother to make money, help him see that way. If he becomes a millionaire, he will be a sponsor tomorrow. So if you see a way of your brother in closing, you are making a mistake. Sometimes we feel that the Europeans love us. I'm a journalist and I know what I have been fighting to be amongst them. And whenever I'm among them, I don't get my rights the way it's supposed to be.
You are fighting for freedom fighters.
Yes. So we need to have a strong government of we all. And we love ourselves to be able to achieve many things. We are already in 2011. Every African who is here in this country, senior, is my senior. Yes, it's my senior. Yes, and this is my junior brother. It's my senior. Okay. That's the first man. Yeah, but when I came to the I'm a Rasta man. I contact. This is my friend. Yeah, man. So we'll come back to the topic. So now he's my senior. I respect that, and I respect my seniors. Okay. But notwithstanding, you ask me a question. What do I wish Africans?
And Nigeria in particular.
Nigerians in particular in 2011. I call Africans to love themselves, love their brothers.
Africans don't love themselves.
Help their brothers.
Only Nigeria.
Help themselves.
No love themselves.
Now we'll come to Nigeria. Nigerians. Nigeria is a big country.
Yes. Very big.
With very big natural resources.
I want a backyard.
If Nigeria
I read my right side
today, within 10 days they can change anything.
Nigeria not going to change anything.
So the problem is we're supposed to see ourselves as Arabs, not see ourselves as Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. The ethnic problem in Nigeria is disturbing us. Abroad.
Make Muslim people stop them.
So, and we also
Muslim people stop them.
And we also like our politicians to respect us.
To respect.
And know that we have a responsibility. Nigerians abroad, they contribute $14 billion every year. After the oil, which contributes $40 billion, Nigerians abroad contribute $14 billion. We have a very powerful force to make a change. They should give us our rights.
If you want to make a change, they go kill you. If you want to make a change, they go kill you.
To vote and change the way of democracy. Have a right in our country. If we are here, we are claiming our rights in our country, and we don't have rights in our country.
In our country.
It's very bad.
Yeah,
so we have to
it's the truth.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, man. I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Delta State.
Yo. And me, I come back again. My name was Rati, you know. My father was Nigeria, my mother from Jamaica, you know. I love people, you know. People don't know what is going on in this country, you know. I'm not a politics, you know. My right is my right. All I have is my life, you know. That against the world. Wisdom is better and silver and gold. It's really, I'm a Rasta man, you know. I play music, I travel all over, you know.
So, brother, I'm very grateful that you make his achievement. So, but one thing I want to tell Nigerian people in Germany is unity. One love, one peace. Unity. You know what I'm saying? Because we don't want that Babylon system there in Nigeria. Because that Babylon system is getting much. We've been living this Babylon system for long in Nigeria. And what I want to say to any Nigerian people in abroad or in Nigeria to stand up and fight for his rights. Because every human being has his rights. One love, brothers. You know what I'm saying? So, what I want to tell every Nigerian people in abroad, in Germany, in Europe, in America, wherever you are, is this is time for we to get up, to fight for our nation, because we feel that the nations need we, and we need our nation. And we don't want those people standing in the middle or on top to mess up our seats, to mess up our people. You understand me? So I don't want anybody to mess up that Nigerian flag.
So let Nigeria come up.
So what I want every Nigerian person is to come up and take his rights.
So this is Mr. Onu, yeah, the journalist from Nigeria. Okay, we are enjoying the new year and just entered the new year. Okay, we are enjoying the new year celebration here in African Drum. So we are heading out to all Nigerians, all Africans, wherever they may be. We are wishing everybody a happy new year. Peace.
We are happy to be here.
Yes.
And we want to progress, make an impact in the society, not only in Germany, but at home too.
Exactly.
And participate in our politics. We have to make impact in the society here and also at home. And make a change in our politics and in our people. That's why we are here. We learn many things. We take it home and we grow in the society. Thanks for meeting you this time. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Thank you.
Peace. All my fans and friends, you know, yes. And now African Drum, it's very well visited club, or let's say a pub, you know, African pub in Cologne.
Yeah.
And yes, I've come here now to see what the people are doing, how they're enjoying the new year, how they're celebrating the new year, you know, the beginning of the new year. Yes, even though the weather is cold, the outside is cold, there's snow everywhere, my brothers are enjoying themselves, my brothers and sisters are enjoying themselves. Here, on behalf of all Nigerians, all Africans here, I'm saying Happy New Year to everybody, wherever you may be, in Africa, in Europe, in America. Happy New Year to you all. Thank you. Peace.
Thank you.
Happy New Year. Peace and God bless.